These are famous clothes. They're called dera. Here in Mombasa, they are worn because of the hot climate. When you come to this market, one thing that you have to try is crossing the ferry, which is free. We're gonna go and try that right now.
Inaitwa women solution. Hii ni dawa inasaidia wanawake kwa upande wa kisasi. Mwanamke umetembea vizuri lakini upatangi ile hedi yako. Hapa hii dawa ukitumia
So the point about this video is just to show you how busy this place can get. And it's a nice market where you guys can come and do some cheap shopping, second-hand clothes, do your, like if you like cooking, when you're traveling like me, then you can come and buy some food when you're around here. So this is Likoni market, and it's always busy, more so during the week. Yesterday I was here, it was not this busy because yesterday it was on a Sunday. Today is a Monday and it's very busy. So we have beautiful bag market around here in Likoni, like this second-hand clothes.
Come chocolate, come chocolate.
So this is the waiting place at Likoni Ferry. So when you come here, you have to come and wait here with other people, and then after everything is ready, you can cross. So the ferry is over there. You can see there's a lot of people waiting. So it carries a lot of people, around 500 to 600 people a day at one cross, not a day. this is the evening view from here at the Likoni, and this is how inside looks like. So it's just moving, and then we have another one over there. People are still getting in. Nice view from here inside, sun-kissed, getting a nice sunset over there. I have to be careful because I'm at the edge, but yeah. So guys, this is free ferry from here in Likoni. When you come here, you have to try this, you know, because you know when you come to Mombasa, there are those things that you have to enjoy, and this is one of them. Enjoying free ferry, street food, and swimming. Those are the most things that you're gonna enjoy when you come to Mombasa. So this is how it looks inside. So guys, this is how it looks inside. Walk inside here. Nice view, right? It's opening. Never been to Mombasa, so I hope you get this glimpse of what happens mostly here at the Likoni, crossing from the Likoni to the other side. So the cars and the motorbikes and everything first go out before the people, and then the people will follow after. So you see down here, they're getting ready to leave. Finally, we are here. So we have to wait for until the vehicles leave, all of them, and then now human beings has we can live. So I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and comment, and you see you on the next one. But before we go, look at that view.